funny how things change. Used to laugh when I was in the booth, and now I got crowds screaming my name. I feel like Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond, this is my year. Had to eradicate my fear. New friends took the backseat like a rideshare. You never held me up, you put me down, how about now? I wish I could have been around when you found out that I was on Forbes. Bet your jaw hit the floor. Bet you tried to call, but now I'm on tour, ain't got time to talk. I'm about to blow this money like you said I would. I can't blow it all, but if I could, I would. All these girls looking good. They say my skills are godly, that's why I smoke on burning bush. Damn, look at me, ooh. Damn, look at these jewels. I just got paid, 100K, finna throw it in your face like I got something to prove. Damn, look at me, ooh. Fendi, Prada, Gucci, gotta get something new. I just got paid, another 100K, finna throw it in your face, I ain't got nothing to lose. Do you remember that time in December when I couldn't get any gifts? Told me I was broke, thought I was a joke, but things haven't been the same since. Now I got a whip, some big check, all on my wrist, and it just got a tit, and it's really, really quick, make a million a blink, then feel like I sink, have to follow my bliss. Damn, it feel good. The keys are just pushing the button. Where did the roof go?
Tapon ako? Ha? May bilin pa? Ha? Mga baye? Sa likod ba? Damo pa sa likod. Wala na sticker, ubos na, hindi puta. Ubos na. Bro, may palihog ka na sa imo. May isa to kay EDB sa GWA. Bago ka ng ano ko, gamit ko sa GWA. Alam ko na ba? Ang gray nga EDB.
Ay, sino EDB?
Taga-Ruwas to. Hello! Ha? Sa likod pa? Lapit pa, lapit.
Mga taga-Iloilo supporter. Of course, si Pismo. Yan. And si Flow.
Ito ang crowd ngayon. Ang problema, hirapan sila ipasok yung mga motor. Ayan, dami ngayon. Sir, may sticker ka? May sticker ka?
Ay, sticker ba?